Topics covered in this video. How to create data profiling task. Configure asset details and source details rules and scheduling. Run and analyze results. Clear capabilities.
To perform data profiling, select this data profiling. Make sure that you have already created connection. If not, you can just see how to create a connection using the PostgreSQL. So we have created one SQL connection. So put new, like this data profiling task. Give the name. Select the location where you want to create this profiling. So I'm using the default one. You can create your own folder as well. Now select the connection here. So I have some flat file connections as well as some PostgreSQL. So we are going with this test PostgreSQL. Now you can see what are the different tables I have inside this SQL. So I'll go with this orders table. So if you scroll down, you can see what are the list of columns you have inside that table. You can also go to the filter. If you want to filter on some condition here, you can add the filter here. And this is the data profile tab, which will give some details about the data, what it has. Then you can see here inside the source details tab, this enable clear capabilities option is also available. So you can enable or disable this option. So we'll see what other what capabilities it has and how it works. Next thing we have is the run profile on rows for complete analysis, or you can give some conditions. Then drill down yes or no. So how drill down yes or no works also, we'll see the next part. Next tab we have is the rules. So here you can add any rule if you have already created in the data quality. So you can just go to the add. It will give all the list of rules which you have. So I already have some verified rules. So we can use this uppercase converter rule here, which we are going to convert. So I'll select it as a region. Okay. And then we can go with the run, or we can also have an option to save. Before that, one more tab we have is the schedule, where you can schedule it. If you want this data profile to be get executed on the daily basis, then you can select this schedule and the schedule option will work. And then click on the run. Let's run this profile. Once the task is complete, you can see here the results from the latest profile tasks are available. Click here to update. Now we can see the results. Okay. So what results it includes? So you can see the first list of columns what you have included in the profiling. Then this is the value distribution. It will show the distribution of values. If you have unique values, then you will see that it is in the. So here you can see the value distribution. If you see this dark blue, it is that those are the unique values, and those are here you can see the value distribution, like how many are unique and how many are repetitive values we have. Then we have null percentage, that how many records have null value for this particular column. If you see the profile, since this profile is already good one, we can see that percentage of null is 0. But there will be some columns you may find which has null value, then you will get this null percentage, and number of rows which has this null value. This will get counted. Similarly, how many records are distinct, so that is in percentage, and that is. Then we have this. This is the total number of rows we have, which is around 20k, which is 19,988 records we have. So out of that, 94 are the distinct, like 9,994 are the distinct records. That is 50% records are distinct when it comes to the row. Similarly, it will give details about the non-distinct, and there is a number of patterns we have. So if you click on this particular column, the row ID, so you can see that what different patterns it has, details by one column. So these are the main details we'll see into the results. However, you can select any particular column. Once you select the column, you can see details here, that how many are null, distinct, non-distinct. Then what are the different data types available in the, we have clicked into the quantity column. So it includes these are the different data types. The patterns it has, that either there are time or others. Let's see what if you see here quantity. See here quantity, so you can see either time or others. So time, nothing but a number. So it is saying that either there is a number or the others. Now if I select others, see what others it has value. You can select the pattern and click on this run. So in the data preview, you will see those others option as well. Then what are the most frequent values we have? Those top 5 values we are getting. Okay, so here you can see in the other quantity we are getting 2 digits. Okay, and when we select this one and apply. Okay, so when I selected this pattern 9, and then we can see the quantity here. So the quantity includes only single digit. So 9 here refers to the single digit. So you can see that based on pattern, we are able to search and see the records in the data profile. This is possible because we have selected this drilled out as an S. In case if you select it as a no and perform the data profiling, that time you will not be able to see the data preview based on whatever conditions you apply here. For numerical column, it also gives this numerical column statistics, where you can see average, sum, and standard deviations for that particular column. Now we also had one rule included here, right, which is the uppercase converter. So you can get those details here. So you see here what is okay. So we put this uppercase converter for the column region. So here you can see those details. What is the pattern it has? So X is signifies the characters. So we have either 4 characters, 7 characters, or 5 characters. So this is the pattern we have. So West, East, Central, and South. These are the values, and you can see how many, like West value came for 32%. South is the lowest one, which is the 16%. So this is the percentage wise how many records are there from South, how many are from West, and you can also see this graph here. So if we go to the region, okay, let me go to region here. Okay, I have selected region. So you can see here details and rules. It will show that for this column region we have included rule, which is uppercase converter, which will show here, and that is the reason you can see here this cleansed value, where you can see every value is in the uppercase, but in original place it was camel case. Here in the original it was the camel case. However, we have applied this rule, and we can see that in the per case. Yeah, this is what the result it shows. Also, you can see one more thing, which is called the insights. So these insights are coming the result because we have selected here clear capabilities. You select these clear capabilities, then you will be able to find these insights. So these insights will give you different insights, like whether your data contains any special characters. So customer name has some special characters. Then it also gives you details about the unusual distribution for the date column, the numeric values found outside the 95% of standard deviation ranges. So these are some insights about those particular columns which we are getting. Video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Right.